My first morning on Skopelos at the Adrina Beach Hotel. This place is truly nestled in nature. Pine trees on the hillside, paths that wind down to its own private beach. From here, you wake up the soft pink blue skies from the sunrise spilling over the Aegean. Breakfast opens onto the veranda, sunlight and sea breeze filling the space. Honestly, there's no better way to begin the day. Do you know this has always been one of my favorite hotel breakfasts on the planet? This place, and I get to experience it again. It's 8 o'clock sharp and the doors have just opened for breakfast here at Adrina Beach. I'll admit, I'm eager to be one of the first, not just because it's one of my favorite breakfasts anywhere, but because I want to get a little video before this is completely devoured. It's that good. Tomorrow, we won't be here for 8 a.m. So, enjoy. I almost eat the same thing that I eat at home, but I had a bite of all the other stuff. I had a bite because I wasn't crazy about it. Not that it was bad, it's just, I'm a breakfast snob. Anyway, that was delicious. Let's begin our day. All right, we're headed to the north today to see the lighthouse, built in 1884. It's one of Greece's oldest. I've been to Skopelos many times, but never here. Listen, for continuity of the video, I went back and put this on. Okay, I don't have this on for safety. I have it on for warmth. The sun's coming out now. But we're going to the north. Time to edit, I'll be thankful that I did, but the big drone, I just spent 30 minutes in this spot. I can't get it to follow me. Like, I'm out here 30 minutes, mess with the drone, it won't follow me. It gets me frustrating. So anyway, here's the deal. When it comes time to edit, I'll appreciate that I said this. It sounds like I'm complaining, but for 30 minutes, I couldn't get the drone to follow me. I'm just wasting battery, wasting time. And I think it's also buggy from the wave.
No sugar, yes?
No, thank you.
Oriste.
All right, excellent. Thank you.
Bye.
That's a winner. That's a winner. For everybody who purchased me this winner cup of coffee, thank you so much. You have made my morning. Okay, hold on. Possibly a little sweeter.
Good USA.
Yes. Do you know Tarpon Springs?
You mean my boat, my super boat?
Yes.
Captain, 1 month. Super.
So, are you?
Yeah, you. Good people. Go. Very nice people.
Okay.
America.
Woo!
Yeah. Village, Skopelos. Very
I
good.
love Skopelos.
Hello, yeah?
Yes.
Bravo.
I come every 3 years.
Bravo.
Yeah. Nice.
Yes, Mamma Mia. Yeah.
No, I'm going to the lighthouse.
Okay.
All right, very good, my friend. Very good.
Hey, good driver.
Yes.
Very nice.
There we go. Nice.
I'm from Florida.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Oh my God.
Okay, very good.
Bye, USA.
Hey!
Bye.
Bye-bye, my friend. Okay, how many times have I been on this island? I don't know. But most of my exploring I did in the early years. I've never been over here. No. We're going to the lighthouse. Let's go. drive the rest of the way, but I brought a surprise. You ready? Maestro, cue the music. Favorite moments? Dolphins. This. Lighthouse. It first opened in 1884 with oil as a source of energy. During the Second World War, remained unlit, operated until 1944. In 1984, the lighthouse was supplied with electricity. I took the road to the lighthouse today. I've never been here before, and quite honestly, it kind of looks like not many people have. The path is soft with pine needles, almost like the forest laid down a soft carpet for anyone who wants to wander. It's the road less traveled, quiet, a little hidden. Maybe that's the reward. It's like the unknown and the overlooked, quite possibly, has the greatest peace. Give me a moment. I think that concludes this action-packed episode. If you like what you see, don't forget I have a whole body of work, and you can catch up with this playlist by finding Greene 2025. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to be my bestie, buy me a coffee. I can use